Hey guys, welcome back to your bass lessons. So today I'll be doing the joyful praise bassline breakdown. Okay, actually I'm not gonna do the full copyright of the bass lines. I didn't have time to rehearse the song, so I'll just be giving out my own bass line so that you can also use some of this bass line and apply to your own song. Okay, if you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I also do private class lessons, so if you're interested, the link will pop over here, or you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So the song was played on key G. Okay, okay, that is your 1 5 1. Okay, so so 1 3 4 6 5 1 5 6 7 1. Okay, so that is from your 1 2 3 4. Okay, so I did something like this. Okay, so 5 1 6 2, then you play your 2 sharp 3, then 1 1 3, then 4. Okay, okay, Jesus, that is 5 6 2, 5 5 1. Okay, so from my 5 to my 6, I did something like this. 4 4 1 1 5 5 5. So that is your 4 4 4 1 4 4 4 4 7 6. Then you play 2 3 6 sharp, then your 6. Okay, then back to your 2. So when you play your 6, then you play your 1 sharp 2. Okay, that is your 2 and your 5. Okay, so 1 sharp and your 2, 6 6 2 2 2, 5 sharp and your 5. Then you play 2 5 sharp and your 5, then 7 1. Okay, I hope you got that. Okay, 1 3 4 6 5. So so I did a very cool riff over here. That is okay. When you don't play your soul, you slide to your soul over here, then you start doing the 10. So 1 2 1 6 sharp 4 6 sharp, then you play 6 3 6 5 2 5, then 4 4 4 4 3 1 6. Okay, so when you don't play the 6, okay, 5 6 1 6 1 2 2 6 5 7 1. Okay, master it. So the second one goes like this. So it's a simple thing. I did went along with the voice. So 2 your 3 2 3 1 2 3 3. So la ti do. That is 5 6 7 1. So when you done with the, that will bring you to your 4 again. That is from 1 to your 4. Okay, 1 1 6 5 3 4 4, and the same groove at the first one. Okay, so 2 3 6. So 2 2 6 2 3 1 2 2 5. Okay, 5 2 5 6 5 5 1. Then again your 1 and 5. Okay, then Jesus, da, 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 da. So I did something like this. Okay, so 5 6 1 2 2 3 4. Okay, 6 5 6 6 3 6, then 2 6 2 3 4 6 5 1. Okay. Okay, so these are the few bass line I can give to you. You can just pick one or two from this groove and use them in your own personal groove. Okay, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.